G'day guys, it's Alex and
Ruben!
Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the latest Legendary Warriors.
We did buy more than one tube, we promise. It's not just that the silver squeezers hit us that hard, but
it has hit us that hard.
We have been very busy. We'll just quickly say that we even though we're doing this unboxing, we are still trying to hit as many of those emails and follow-up phone calls and things, as well as dealing with the lines in the shop. So thank you very much for your patience, but we just ducked across quickly to do a little unboxing. It's been quite a few weeks.
So, or untubing, if you will.
Yeah, that's it.
So this is the one that I've been waiting for. This is the Japanese variant.
It's one that I've had a few people say that they're not too familiar with the history on this one, and I'm going to be honest, similar to Sitting Bull, I had to do a little bit of reading up on this one as well, but some very interesting history.
My one I didn't, because I'm actually a fan of Miyomoto Musashi. He is the author of the Book of Five Rings, and being a Bushido student, yeah, pretty versed with that. Again, as with all of the Legendary Warriors, and as we've mentioned before, the detail on this is extremely detailed. There's quite a bit going on in the background. It's a beautiful, beautiful round. I saw pictures of it before, but it's, again, like with all of them, it looks so much better in real life.
Yeah, there's a full scene going on in the background there. Yep. You've got the temple over on the right there, and it's almost enough detail to be a coin in and of itself back there, but then to know it is just in the background. Yeah, very, very stunning. They've done a great job.
Yes, it is. So this is number 12, I believe.
Yes, still in the first series. I wasn't sure. There was a little bit of a gap, and I wasn't sure if this was going to be the start of a series 2 or something like that. But no, this is still series 1 Legendary Warriors, made by Silvertown over in the US.
Yeah, and we did try and get some more of the older coins from the series, but we'll see how many are left. They had been extremely popular. No doubt this will be just as popular, if not more.
So no, very, very cool, fascinating piece of history to learn about and for Silvertown to have done for this series. Excited to see what comes next. Like I said, if it will be the end of the series from here, if we're going to see a couple more, we'll wait and see. Thanks very much for jumping in, Alex.
No worries, and back to the shop for me, and back to emails for you.
That's it. See you soon.
See ya.